It's a court. Okay. Okay. Name of the building, work done. Hospital, they treat people. School building, vaccination means, see, if you should not get some diseases, they will give an injection. That is called vaccination. Without getting that diseases, we are waiting for COVID-19 vaccination. That's why you don't have a school now. School building, children go to study. Bank, deposit or take away money. Post office, they'll send letter or receive letters. Hotel, they'll go for eating or for staying. Court, they will go for justice or arguments, or they will do like, a lot of arguments, and they will good or bad, or who is right and who is wrong, all that they will argue, but at last they will give the judgment. Now in this picture, saw many people and together build a new building. School is also one of that, when many people work. Right? What work do in the school? See, you yourself can start saying, we study, we play, we do. What else we'll do? We'll write, and we learn a lot of exercises. We do morning assembly. Children study here. Office staff do their office work. Children play and together in the lunchtime. Teachers teach here morning assembly and prayers every day. Apart from this, we have cultural activities, exercise activities, guide activities, NCC activities. We have so much we do here. Are there any children in the picture who is not going to school? What are they doing? Yes, they were helping the parents. One boy was working in the tea shop. Another Chinnamma was helping the father to give away the fruits. And next, the barber's children were sitting under the tree. And these children, yes, see, you could see all that. These people have not gone to school. It is because they have to help the parents for food, because the parents are poor. Now there is a right of the children to free and compulsory education. See, all the government schools, it's a free education. It is compulsory. That is why, see, government schools, they will take money. They will provide them food also, midday meal scheme, and they are giving everything free, because no child sit at home or no child to go for work. They should come to school even without food also, no issues. They are providing with the egg food. Okay. Now Dipali, a child who has not gone to school because her father is working in having a small vegetable shop, and he has to go to Mandi. Mandi is a wholesale shop where he will buy the vegetables and cleaned by the mother. By the time Diwali will do the cooking work and feed the younger brothers and sisters and send them to school. So some may be very small and send them to the father. Like that, the child, she is also a small child. She studied up to 3rd standard. So after some time, she takes the 3rd standard book of the younger brothers or sisters, and lie down, try to read what she can manage to read. See, poor Dipali, if the parents are rich, if the parents can manage the family, she would have gone to school. That is what they are trying to tell you in this story. What are the work Dipali do at home? She does a lot of work, almost like a mother. She does every work. She takes care of the cooking and cleaning the utensils and taking the children to school and leaving the children with the parents, and again comes back, cook for the next meal, and takes care of the whole house, and bring back the kids from the school. Kids means her own brothers and sisters. This is all done by Dipali when she is small itself. See, though so much responsibility is taken by the small child. So we also must think how much responsibility we have taken at home. Try to help your parents. See, I am not asking you to be like a Dipali. Dipali never went to school. But you can come to school, but you can do small help to your parents. See what all Dipali is doing here, cooks the food, cleans the house, washes utensils. After work, goes to leave her small brother to her father, take her younger sisters to school. In the evening, bring back her brothers, two sisters back to home, helps her mother to cook dinner. This much work she is doing. I imagine, are we doing that much work? Do you also household work? Yes, here. See, your own answer I want. What answer is here? Please don't copy. That's why I'm not going to read this. Your own answer. What work you are helping? Besides household work, do you do any other work at home? I don't think anything you do. But if you at all you are doing, please do it and write it here. Now, this is a clock. Already you have learnt the timings in maths classes. Now here the big hand shows the minutes, the small hand shows the hour. Now this timings may be differ for everyone. Please write the correct timings. See, going to school will be correct for everybody. Return from school will be correct for everybody. Sleeping, playing, sit down to study, wake up, all that, each one will be different. You draw the diagram and write your draw the hand according to your timings. Now the family members, I will not be knowing what is given. Don't write, it's somebody's family. Write your own family, what they are doing, what are the work they are doing. Please write it. This also I am not going to read. It is because your own family you have to write. See here children, try to write on your own. It is because it's nice. After some time you will be very, very good in English if you are going to write like this. Which of your family members work to earn money? Mostly father and mother. They work for money and they bring the money and they will give us everything, whatever we like it, whatever we want, any sophistication, anything to eat, they will provide. That's what they earn. Okay, now find out from your grandparents how they work and see, really olden days, all the girl children will be asked to work in their childhood itself. They train them to work at home. They start cooking by the age of 9 or 10. Okay, mother in cooking. They start helping first and slowly started then washing. Those days no washing machine. Then cow dung cakes. Usually those days most of them were farmers. They will have cows and buffaloes at home. They will not waste the cow dung. They make a cow dung cakes. See how the lady is making the round one. They use it as a fuel. Sarama asked her grandmother, and Nanny replied, when I was a child. This is one of the child's grandmother. Puffed rice. What is puffed rice? Nothing else. It's a pori. They will prepare for a snatch. If there any change, you had written about, yes, a lot of changes. There was those days no gadgets. No gadget sense, no TV, no grinder, no mixer, mixie. See, all this is done by the ladies at home. Children get more time to study and less work to do nowadays. Many women go to office. Those days, no, none of them go to office because the farmer's wife will be helping the farmer. That's all. Life has become easier nowadays because of the electrical appliances. Those days only kerosene light. But there were people who were very intelligent. Housemaids. See, we have servants at home, but never call them as servant. There also it is a main work. Suppose she is not coming one day, it is going to be a mess of the whole thing. See that you respect her and call her in such a way that she without hurting her. Don't throw clothes or don't make her do the work. Come and take this. Don't demand. don't command. Try to talk to them in a very nice soft voice. Here there are two children who never gone to school. You see nearby your house, if there and somebody is there, just tell them, because one Chotu doesn't have parents. For Raghu, it is a big family. That is why they are working in the shops or any other places for getting money. This is the way the life of the people. This is the work, different types of work. I'll be giving some charts for you, the different types of work with the names, and you can see them. And this week, I'll be giving next week, you can draw the clocks, all the clocks, and you have to draw all the clocks and write your timings. And now that is in page number, the homework, the page number 84. Draw all the clocks, draw the hand. Okay, draw the hand. Now this week, no workbook. Test I will be giving a little later, because you have lot to write here. Please complete it. Stay safe. Thank you.